Ready to dive into the world of XRP and Ripple Labs? Let's make it easy for you. XRP isn't something you'll use directly through Ripple Labs. Instead, XRP powers Ripple's financial solutions like RippleNet, a network for banks and financial institutions. Want to get started with XRP? Here's how. First, create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP. Fund your account through a bank transfer or by linking a debit or credit card. Now you're ready to purchase XRP using the exchange's trading platform. Once you've got your XRP, you have two options. Store it securely in the exchange's wallet or transfer it to your own secure wallet. Or use XRP to transact with businesses or services that accept it. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and watch out for phishing scams. Understand the regulations and tax implications in your region, and be prepared for price fluctuations. Cryptocurrencies can be very volatile. Stay safe and happy investing.